Hello, Bevy people. This is Marcus with the BevyVIP.com. And today we are going to continue with our account setup on OnlyFans. If you've been following this series, you'll know that we recently got verified and approved on OnlyFans. And if you're having issues with verification approval with your new OnlyFans account, watch the video we made, the last video. I think it's episode 5. I'll put a link in the description below. And it'll tell you exactly how to walk through the process to get verified within 24 hours with OnlyFans. And so far, it's working for everyone we've talked to. So you want to check that video out, link in the description below. Now, before we get started in discussing the topic for today, I do want to remind people that if you're new and you don't have an OnlyFans account yet, and you want to be part of our Becoming a Star project, we're still looking for a few models to sign. And what you want to do is go to our website. Link will be in the description. Scroll all the way down to the bottom. You'll notice there's a blue link that says sign up now to OnlyFans. You want to click that, sign up, and then fill out this form here. We are being a little selective in who we're choosing. You can read about what we're looking for and what this project's all about. But basically, we're going to take one person. I'm going to work with them one-on-one for like 3 months to get their account up and going and get them earning as much as we can within a very short period of time. So we're being selective. I'm not choosing anyone and everyone. There's a certain type of person I'm looking for. I'm obviously going to be talking to you every day during this project. So I do want to select someone that I do jive with so that, I don't know, it's easier for both of us. But yeah, check that out. Anyway, let's continue with what we're doing today. Let me pull up my slideshow here. So basically, we're talking about the two different ways that you can set your account up, right? You can do a free subscription or the paid subscription. And these are the main two structures. Now, the free account, if you set your account as free, what that basically means is that anyone can view your content and subscribe to your account. Doesn't cost them anything. And then if you do the paid subscription, when they go to your page, everything's going to be locked and they need to subscribe and pay in order to view your content. And there's pros and cons to both of these methods. I would also like to mention that I am aware that there are a lot of models who are using a third method, which is that they have multiple accounts. One is free, one is paid. Now that's a bit more complex. It does work for some people. It's just a little harder to get up and running. So I'm going to not talk about that today. I'm going to talk about the method that the Bevy recommends to everyone who's signing up, and we think that this is the best way for you to get started. I will make a video about the multiple account option because I do think it does work. It's just more complex in my opinion. So if we talk about you setting up your account for free, what the pros and cons are. I mean, obviously one of the pros is that it helps you gain subscribers early because it's a free account, and it helps you build your following. Now, that's really important for multiple reasons, but it does get traffic on your page, and it does keep you incentivized to creating content. You know, one of the things that discourages a lot of models is they start their account, they start posting a few things, there's not much action on their account, and then they just feel like it's too much work and they don't have the motivation to continue. Well, having a free account will allow as many people as you can get onto that page to subscribe for free. And that's going to keep you up and running. It's also a good way to get familiar with the functionality of the OnlyFans platform. So if it's a free account, no one can really complain about anything. If you have a paid account and you start, making posts and maybe you set things wrong, and you might post something, then delete it, then post something again, and it's just not the best thing to do if you have a paid subscription base. So I think that this free account will allow you to get familiar with the OnlyFans platform, allow you to play around with stories and all the different features while you're not worried about the fact that you've charged someone to see your mistakes while you learn. The good thing about this is that you still will have ways to earn. Just because you have a free account doesn't mean that everything is for free. You can still lock content. You can still, make paid messages. You can still have premium features on your account. So that's still a way to make money. And then the other thing, which is really, really big here, is it helps to build your likes, which will validate your presence on the platform. Now, as you make posts, you want people to like them. And at the top of the screen, and let's see if I can pull up my OnlyFans account. Let's put this down for a second. Okay, if you go to your OnlyFans account now, my account's brand new. We just got verified, but if you go to settings, and I believe it's under security, you'll see here that you have this option for show fans count on your profile and show media count on your profile. And you want to click, you probably want to keep show fans off until you have a lot of fans, because you don't want someone to go to your account and see that you have no fans. That might make them think that that no one's interested in your content and that it's not worth their time. But you do want to show your media account, and when you do that, now I don't have anything. If I hit save, I don't have anything on my profile yet, so it won't. You won't really see it, I don't believe. Yeah. Okay, so here you go. You see where it says 0 here? These are posts and these are videos. These are probably photos actually. And so as you start adding content, these numbers will fill up. So you want that to show. And then as people have likes and they interact with your content, there will also be something here that says, you have a lot of, you have 1,000 likes or whatever. So when we talk about building a presence and social validation, those are going to help you do that. Now, if you don't have anyone on your account because there's not anybody subscribing, or maybe you only have 1 or 2 subscribers, there's not going to be much action within your posts, and that's going to make your account feel dead. So by having a free account that allows a lot of people to follow you, subscribe for free, and then they can like your content, they can make comments, and that creates your page that looks alive to people. Some of the cons, though, to having a free account is that you're going to get a lot of freeloaders. Most of these freeloaders won't ever spend a dime, and that's just a reality of it. And it's something that seems to frustrate a lot of models. So I just feel like I need to mention that, because if you have a free account, be prepared. There's going to be a lot of freeloaders who are going to want to waste your time. They're going to try to talk to you. They're going to send you messages. You just got to learn how to manage them properly and know who is and who isn't worth your time. Now, there is a way to look at your list of fans and see who's been tipping you, who your top tippers are, who the top people who are paying you are. And you want to focus on those people because they're the ones with their wallets open. While all these freeloaders on here, you're not going to want to interact with much. And then the other issue that we can say about having a free account is that if you decide to switch eventually to a paid subscription, you're going to have to you're going to lose some subscribers. Most likely they'll be the freeloaders, but you're also going to have to incentivize the other subscribers who have been following you for free to now become paid subscribers. And I'll have tutorials on how you can do that, tricks and methods, offers that you can make to them. So that's the basic free account. And then your other option is to have a paid account. Now, the pros and cons of that. So, you're going to get yourself set up to have a steady income. If you have a paid account, that means that no one could really see anything until they pay to see your content, to see your entire feed, actually. So this is where we eventually want to get to. The whole goal here is so that you have steady income, so that as you're making content, you have money coming in. That's a pro of having a paid account. The other thing, like we were just talking about, is the freeloaders. You don't have to deal with freeloaders. Freeloaders will see that it's paid. They'll just get out of there. It's also easier to control your content. When you have a free account, you're going to have to decide what is free teaser type content and what is paid premium content. With having a paid account, everything is going to be paid. So they're going to see, whoever pays is going to see everything. Now, you can still have upsells within that, but we'll have to talk about that later also, because that's just another step to the process. And then the other thing is that you can offer free trials. Now, what's really cool about offering free trials is that people feel like they're getting something. They're getting like a bonus. So what'll happen is you're going to send traffic to your page. They'll see that it's a paid subscription page, but you're going to give them a free trial. So everyone that comes to your page, you want them to have a free trial so that they feel like, oh, they're getting something. They get to see your content, and then they get to follow you. The cons to it is going to be a lot harder to build your following if you have a paid account. A lot of times people are going to go to your page the second they see that it's a paid account, and they're just leaving. So this is going to slow you down in the beginning. And then it's going to be harder to establish your presence with likes. And this is what I was talking about earlier about you want a lot of people to get on your page. You want a lot of people to comment and like on your content. And then that's going to make your page look alive, and it's going to make other people want to join your page. This is going to be a major issue if all you have is, 5 or 6 subscribers for the first few months, or it's going to slow everything down. So this is what I recommend as your plan of attack. You want to start with a free account for 1 month, maybe 2 months. But let's just say you're gonna aim for 1 month with a free account. In that time, you're gonna start adding content to your profile and building your voice online. You're gonna start building traffic to your page. You're gonna promote that profile to gain followers and your social proof, which is your likes and comments that others are gonna make. And then you're gonna offer within that free account, you're gonna offer premium paid content. Now, there's going to be a number of ways to do this, and we're going to talk about each one in another video. And then after you've built up that following and you've built up that voice of who you are, you would then want to switch to a paid account, a monthly subscription account. But you're going to have to build that momentum to get there. And then once you switch it over to a paid account, you're going to offer free trials so you continue to gain that following. So you're going to get new people to come in, but they're going to see there's action on your page. There's a lot of interaction on your page. There's a lot of comments, a lot of likes. They're going to see that your page is alive, and they're going to want to use that free trial to see what's going on under the hood. Now, the other option is that you're going to offer to the people who have been free subscribers a trial offer. And that trial offer is going to hopefully continue to keep those people on your page. At the very least, it's going to keep them on for another week or two. And then if you've built a relationship where they like what you're posting and they're into your content, they're going to become paid subscribers, and they're going to get a whole bunch more stuff for free that they don't have to pay for premium content. So anyway, that's the wrap up. There's a blog post on the BevyVIP.com website within our blog that goes into more detail about each one of these topics or each one of these bullet points that I made in this video. So you want to check that out. You want to probably rewatch this a few times just to wrap your head around, how this account's going to be structured and how we're going to move forward with building up your account with you. So our next video, we're going to show how to implement these strategies with OnlyFans. So you want to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow us. We're keeping this whole series going. We're getting some momentum right now. We're getting a lot of new signups. So I have a lot of new beginner videos that I have to make so that the people who sign up with our links will know how to start making money. If you have any questions, you want to ask them below, or you can go to our forums. Right now, they're free to sign up. If you signed up to OnlyFans or AVN Stars with our links, you will get a free lifetime membership to our forums. The forums aren't super busy right now with people commenting or asking questions. I'm trying to bring it to that. But what it is I'm posting, daily on there. So you want to get in there and join the conversation. Anyway, this is Marcus with the BevyVIP.com. I wish you all luck on your accounts. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. I'll explain as much as I can to you, and follow our journey of setting this OnlyFans up. Have a good night. Oh, wait, I forgot to mention. Because our YouTube channel is new, we're trying to build subscribers. And what we're going to do is give away a free gift card, one free gift card for $50 to our apparel store. For every 100 people that subscribe, we're going to choose one person. So all you have to do to enter is subscribe to our channel, write a comment to one of our videos, and you'll be entered. And so for every 100 people, we're giving away $50 to our sexy apparel shop.